Milltown Media Group checking in once again. Right here in Milwaukee on the corner of the 13th and Capitol. Pretty tragic accident. I pray to God everybody's okay. Wow, this is rough. Cracked the 300 right into the pole. Officer on the scene. I just don't understand some of these people's driving. Everybody in a hurry to go nowhere and it's slippery, and this is where you end up. If you want to see more accidents and drive Milwaukee, just go on YouTube and click in Milltown Media Group, and all the other accidents and sites will pop up. Feel free to check it out. We're on there. Wow, this is terrible. Wow.